If you've watched this channel for a little while now, you know that I take issue we teach, when we teach assumption as truth. For example, I greatly dislike the Big Bang Theory, in part because we treat it like it's universal truth, even though it's just a theory, and not even a universally accepted theory among scientists. But somehow in schools it just gets taught like it's the one and only. So I'm gonna bring up some other scientific theories for how the universe started. One is that basically the other side of a black hole is like a white hole, which just means you can't go back in. When you go through a black hole, you can't come back out again. But every universe is just a universe within a universe. So there's a black hole in a universe. Information or mass gets sucked through, and that becomes a new universe. Or there's the holographic projection theory, which has a lot of roots in ADS-CFT correspondence, which you should definitely look up if you're interested in this sort of thing. But it's proven that a sort of universe that could be sort of like ours, there's a lot of mathematical proof that it could be a projection of a either lower or higher dimension reality. So, in other words, our universe could just be a holographic projection from something of a higher dimensional reality, which would make a lot of sense to me in like a religious perspective, seeing as, I believe that God has a higher perspective than we do. Another one would just be not as scientific, but just that it's all just a simulation. I'm sure you've heard that one before, so I won't really get into that, but there you go.